Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix ESPN Plus not working on Xfinity. Now first you need to check your ESPN Plus subscription. Okay, so you just open up the ESPN Plus app on your phone, or you go to the website and make sure you're logged into the correct ESPN Plus website and just confirm that your subscription is active and not expired. And also make sure that you're actually using the ESPN app, not the ESPN channel, okay? Now on Xfinity, the ESPN Plus content doesn't show on the standard ESPN cable channel. So instead what you need to do is download and open the ESPN app on your Xfinity streaming device. And the ESPN Plus content will only appear when you're signed in through the app. And of course, guys, you can go ahead and also sign out and sign back in. Just go ahead and, go to the ESPN app settings on your Xfinity device, log out of your ESPN account, and then just log back in with the account that actually has the ESPN Plus subscription. This what it does is it refreshes your credentials and clears temporary glitches. Okay, if you're still having troubles, I'll give you two more steps. One is to restart the Xfinity device. So you unplug your Xfinity streaming box or TV for about 30 seconds. Just plug it back in and relaunch the ESPN app. This usually fixes loading errors or frozen screens. And if you're still having trouble, this is the last resort. Just check for app updates. Okay, head to the apps menu on the Xfinity device, look for ESPN and make sure it's the latest version because, outdated apps can actually cause login and streaming issues. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.